Hello trekkers, I'm Yatin from Trek the Himalayas, and today I'll be talking about the post-monsoon trekking season in the mountains. The advent of the post-monsoon season makes the mountains throw off their snow blanket and every inch of the trail comes to life. There's freshness all around, new fragrances spread over the warm landscapes where bright colors unleash their magic. The sheet of haze disappears, giving you uninterrupted views of the clear blue skies. One can see the peaks and majestic mountains far wide in all their crowning glory. You can even catch a clear picture of Mount Kanchenjunga from Goichala Pass in this season. Treks in Gangotri National Park like Kedartal or Gaumukh Tapovan lets you witness some rare sights of Bhagirathi Massif, Shivling and the magnificent Mount Meru. From the summit of Sandakphu Trek, one can witness the Sleeping Buddha, also coined by the locals, only visible clearly during this season. This is one of the only few places in the world where you can enjoy a 360-degree view of 4 8,000ers in one view, including Mount Everest, Makalu, Lhotse and Mount Kanchenjunga. Nanga Parvat is visible from Kashmir Great Lakes only in the post-monsoon season. Also, the enchanting Pindari Glacier Trek exposes the view of multiple 6,000-meter peaks and the enormous Pindari Glacier, which feels as if it's hanging from the mountains. This season is a paradise for photographers, exposing you to the verdant side of Himalayas. The rain leaves the mountains blooming with carpets of flowers, green meadows, deep blue skies, pristine water bodies and crystal clear views. The meadows of Bali Pass appear and become denser during this season. Even Har Ki Dun blooms the best during this time with the hidden flora and fauna. If you're a stargazer, then there is no better season than this to lay in the wilderness of Sandakphu and venerate the starry night with several highest peaks surrounding you. The sight of the stars glinting in the sky is dreamy and unreal. Moreover, if you are into astrophotography, it is the best time that gives you a clear window to shoot stunning night views with a lucid display of the Milky Way that is not visible during monsoon. Rupin Pass. Well, in this season, it brings you a 360-degree view of the Himalayas, with the beautiful Rupin Valley clearly visible on one side and Kinnaur Valley on the other. One can't miss the raging visual thrill fest, the Chopta Chandrashila Trek, with ethereal views Chaukhamba, Trishul, Kedar Dome, Nanda Devi and many more, with a panoramic view of mountains spread from Nepal to the Kumaon region. One of the best things about this season is that many dormant waterfalls gets activated. In Rupin Pass, you will come across many waterfalls and streams through the trek. The most captivating of them is of multiple waterfalls flowing down with such a height that it appears as they are falling straight from the sky. This season brings to you brisk, refreshing air and the most wondrous forms of natural sceneries. You also encounter the most spectacular sunrise and sunset experiences. In spring or early summer, treks come with the fear of landslides, obstacles, slippery paths, and sudden weather changes. But post-monsoon makes these treks a lot easier and risk-free. It will significantly reduce the chance of a cloudburst with no frequent downpours, which is usually common in monsoons. There will also be a lack of heavy snow on the trails leading up to the mountain passes, which will allow a more straightforward traverse across the otherwise rugged terrain, increasing the overall trek completion ratio. See, you can plan a trek this post-monsoon season with Trek the Himalayas, the safest and trusted adventure provider. We look forward to having you. And if you like this video, please make sure to share it with your friends, like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you soon in the mountains.